Have you noticed those videos going viral everywhere? Lots of channels are posting similar stuff and racking up millions of views. It's so easy that practically anyone can do it. Today, we are going to see how to create a cartoon AI animation in just 3 steps. This is Natasha from Skillify. Let's get started.
Let's go back to your browser. Search for Domo AI. We are given the Domo AI link in the description. Okay, let's click the first link at the top. Let's take you to this page. If you want to use Domo AI, you need to create a Discord account. I have already created a Discord account, so I just click Start in Discord. Click the Accept Invite. Yes, this is the Domo AI page. Go to the scroll left panel. We have more generating options here. Now you can select any one of these lists. I just click here. Step 1. Upload video.
The first step is to upload the video you want. You can upload any video you want to convert to a cartoon animation. If you upload a better quality video, you can receive a higher quality cartoon animation. Let's go and upload a video.
Okay, let's see where we upload the video. If we get the upload video option, we need to enter a prompt here, /video, and press enter. You can see it appears on the upload option. Click here to upload video. I just choose to upload this video to create a cartoon animation. Step 2. Enter the prompt.
The next step is we just need to enter the prompt. Once you enter the prompt, it will go to the next step. You don't need to enter a perfect prompt. You can enter anything about your video style, what type of video, and what kind of animation you want.
So now, I enter the prompt here. I just enter, convert into comic video. Domo AI is generating the next step. Step 3. Select the style.
And the final step is to select the style, what kind of animation video you want to convert it to. You can export your video for free for 5 seconds.
Select the style here. And then select how many seconds you want to export. Click Start. Yes, we have successfully generated the video into a cartoon animation.
That's it, guys. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.